Chapter 1, Population, Distribution, Density and Growth and Composition. Today in this session we will discuss about the population growth. Population growth or the growth of population is the change in the number of people in a particular area between 2 points of time. And population growth can be expressed in two ways. There are two ways to express population growth. One is in term of absolute number, how many people have been increased during a year or a decade, or in term of percentage. Standard way to express growth of population is percentage. Population growth has two components. One is natural, another is induced growth. Natural growth is the difference between the crude birth and crude death. Induced growth of population include the component which are explained by the volume of inward and outward movement of people plus the difference of crude death and crude birth. Population growth can be calculated in two ways. One, decadal growth rate, another is annual growth rate. And both the growth rate annual as well as decadal growth rates of the in country are high, and even this is steadily increasing over a period of time, which result the population doubling time is faster. What is population doubling time? Population doubling time is the time taken by the population to double itself at its current annual growth rate. The growth rate of population in India over the last 1 century have been caused by the annual death and annual birth and death as well as the migration. These are the three components: birth, death and migration are the component of population. The trend of population growth in a country can be divided into four phases. There have been four distinct phases of the trend of population growth in country. First phase, which was from 1901 to 1921. Phase 2, 1921 to 1951. Phase 3, 1951 to 1981. And phase 4, 1981 to till continue. The phase 1, the period from 1901 to 1921 is referred as the period of stagnant growth. Since during this period the growth rate of population was very low due to high birth and high death rate, right? Even there have been negative growth rate recorded during the period of 1911 to 1921 due to poor health and medical services, illiteracy of the people at large, and insufficient distribution system of food and other basic necessity, which were largely responsible for high birth and high death rate during this period. You can see here on page number 5. This is table 1.1, which shows during this period of 20 years, the population growth was just 5.75 from 1901 to 1911, and then there is a slight decrease in the population between 1911 to 1921 it was minus 0.31. Next is phase 3, which start from 1921 to 1951. This is phase 2, right? During these two phases you can see there is a increase in the population growth rate. Continuing population growth rate have been steadily increasing, right? And this period of 1921 to 1951, this is the period of steady growth and overall improvement in health sanitation have been experienced throughout the country, which result reduce in the mortality rate, and at the same time better transport communication system have been improved and crude birth rate remain high but death rate have been lower down. This is the impressive at the backdrop of great economic depression 1920s and World War II. Third phase, this start from 1951 to 1981. This period is called the period of population explosion, which was caused by a rapid fall in the mortality rate but a high fertility rate of population in the country. The average annual growth rate was as high as 2.2%. It is in this period after the independence that developmental activities were introduced through a centralized planning process and economy started showing up, ensuring the improvement of living condition of the people at a large scale. Consequently, there was high natural increase, high growth rate, and beside this there is increased international migration from Tibetan, Bangladesh, Nepal in the country. From even Pakistan, people have been entered to the country, which have added the surplus population in the total population of the country, right? This period you can see here 1951 to 1981 phase 3. The population have been steadily increasing. It was 21.51 in 1961, increase and 24.80 1971, and there was 24.66% decadal growth rate in 1981. But in the phase 4 after